Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make pie chart in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So for making pie chart, firstly select the data which you want to present on the pie chart. So after selecting the data, you can see insert options, so click on it. So in insert options you can see pie chart options, so you can see insert pie, so just click on it, and when you will click on it you can see different format of pie chart, so you can select anyone according to you. So I am selecting first one. So you can see when I will select this, the data is converted into the pie chart. So guys, in this way you can make pie chart. So for more attractive, you can adjust some setting. So if you want to change the position of pie chart, so just click on the blank area of pie chart and then select the left side of mouse and press and drag anywhere on which you want to adjust. So after adjusting the position of the pie chart, you can also adjust the size of pie chart. So when you will click on small circle at the corner, so just drag to that size on which you want. So in this way you can adjust the size of pie chart. So if you want to change the color of pie chart, so just click on it and you can see chart design options. So here you can see change color, so just click on it and you can select any color which you want to change. So after adjusting the color, so you can also select the chart style. So in chart design you can see different style of chart. So here you can select any chart style. So guys, in this way you can make pie chart in Excel. So if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.